Hello, welcome back to Absolute GA channel. Today's hairstyle is twist water curls. I'm going to use 2.5 packs of ultra braid to make this hairstyle, and I mixed color 33 and color 2 together to achieve this color. It's a simple hairstyle, yet it takes time to complete it. You start the hair with a zip style. If you don't know how to do the zip style, I have the tutorial on this channel. The link will be in the description box down below. So you do the zip first, and then make sure you tie and secure it very well to prevent it from loosening later on, as being shown in the video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. This channel comprises of lifestyle, detergent, food and hairstyle. Those waiting for detergent, there are more videos on the way coming. Some subscribe to this channel because of food, some too subscribe because of hairstyles, and others too because of detergents. Please stay on the channel because there is something for everyone. After braiding the zip, you then combine two separate hairs or braids and twist it. Make it firm. Also, if you don't know how to do twists, I have the tutorial on the channel and the link will be down below. Before combining the two hairs to twist, make sure you comb it very well to make it free without any knots before you twist the hair. And after twisting it, please trim all the flyaway hairs around it. When the braiding is complete, you then dip it in hot water and air dry. For best results, you can leave it till the next day or two before unbraiding the twist. Thank you all for watching my videos, and please like, share, subscribe, and also don't forget to click on the notification bell so that you will be notified when I upload a new video.